So what up guys, here in my garage. I don't value materialistic things, I value knowledge. And by knowledge I mean advice. So you guys are gonna help me out.
Look, we got the Chobani yogurt. Probiotics, man, probiotics. Look, more probiotics. This stuff's thick, like a Kansas City stripper. Got the salad, got the strawberries, got the no, you didn't see that. You didn't see that. I'm a banana, I'm a banana, I'm a banana.
I hope you guys had a happy new year. Woo! I kind of had a boring new year, to be honest with you. Well, not really boring. I mean, it's not like I regret it. I just hung out with Allie and we watched movies and whatnot in bed. Then I played video games till 2 in the morning and then fell asleep. Yeah, that's New Year's when you're an adult, I guess. I don't know. So what's up, Motard fam? It's your boy Motard Steve, and today I need you guys' advice. I need some help with something. I'm gonna put a little picture right here on the screen just to let you check that out. So you might be thinking, oh, well, Steve, what does that mean? Remember how I made that video about maybe a month back, maybe a month and a half, saying winter's coming soon, eventually it's gonna get too cold to really do motovlogs? Well, sad to say, I believe that time is now. For instance, as you can see, it's going to be cold and under the 50 degrees for about a week. The only time it's going to be semi-decent out to go ride is Monday, I believe. There's only one day in this period that's going to be decent to ride, and it's going to be cloudy out. So it's probably going to be raining, so that's just a no-go. And I work a lot this week, so I pretty much have no time to film a motovlog. This video brought to you by watermelon water. It's like summer in your mouth. It literally tastes like watermelon. Like the water you could drink out of a watermelon. That must be why they call it watermelon water. If you don't drink watermelon water, then f*** you. So I know what you guys are gonna be saying, oh, why don't you just buy some winter gear and go out and ride? Well, here's the problem with that, guys. When I make motovlogs, I want them to be entertaining. I want you guys to be able to watch them, see that I'm having fun, and then it's kind of like an infection. It's like I'm having fun, so you guys are having fun watching the video. But if I'm out in the cold and my hands are just frozen and I'm freezing and I'm just miserable, the video is gonna be miserable. It's not gonna be entertaining. You're just gonna be watching a 5 to 10 minute video of me complaining, it's cold, this sucks. And I don't want to make videos like that. I want to continue to keep my videos positive, upbeat, entertaining, and just generally a joyful experience. And you guys don't want to go watch Motard Steve complain about the damn cold. Trust me, that's not going to be fun to watch. But there will be an odd day that will be warm. I mean, it happens all the time. There's just a random odd day. It's like out of nowhere. It's, oh, hey, whoa, it's like 50, 60 degrees out. You know, that's decent. You know, that's not so cold where my hands are freezing. You know, I'm okay doing wheelies. I have my hand dexterity, and you know, it's generally a good time. I can have fun. I can go make a good video for you guys. The problem is, those days are going to be few and far between. So ideally, I'll maybe be able to go film a motovlog maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks maybe. So I really don't want to slow down my upload frequency, because we all know that's kind of how YouTube works nowadays. YouTube only cares about how much you upload and how often you upload. They don't really care too much about quality. But see, the thing of it is I don't want to sacrifice my quality just to upload a bunch. I don't want to do that. I feel like lately I've been having a good streak. My subs have been growing, my views, my watch time, everything's on the uptick, which is awesome, which thank you guys for that. I don't know if I've said that, but thank you guys for that. So that being said, I'm in a predicament, you know. I don't want to slow down my upload schedule, but I want to try to keep the content fun and flowing throughout the winter months. Now, winter here only really lasts about 2-3 months maximum. You know, the cold season where it's just really, really bad. So there's a couple options I got. I can do BMX videos, which, I mean, those are fun. I think a lot of people enjoy that. Some people have even asked me, hey, you gonna do BMX videos again? I do plan on doing BMX videos. Matter of fact, I have a BMX video on my computer that I just haven't edited yet. And that one's gonna be pretty cool. That one will probably be up in like a week or so. So there's BMX videos I can do. I have a truck now, so it's easy to haul the BMX bike around to places and go ride around, jump some stuff, do whatever, cruise around, stuff like that. So that's one option. Another option, I have did video gaming streams in the past, and a couple people have stopped by and, you know, hung out at them. I'm not necessarily thinking I'm gonna do streams, but what I think I'll do is there's a select few games that I really do enjoy. You guys know I like playing PlayerUnknown Battlegrounds. I have a couple of videos of those on the channel. I mean, if you want, you can go click it there. But you can go check that out if you want. But, you know, there's a couple of video games I've been thinking about playing and making videos just for the winter period. And then, you know, there's just regular old vlogs like this. You know, I've thought about doing maybe some product reviews on some helmets I've had. You know, for instance, you know, I've had that AFX helmet for like ever. That was actually the first helmet I started with, and that's not a bad little helmet, to be honest with you. You know, oh god, my camera. I gotta get a better Joby mount. This thing's retarded. Okay, fix. Gotcha. Alright. You know, I thought about doing product reviews, stuff like that. You know, reviewing my gloves that I've had forever, my helmets, jackets, stuff like that. You know, whatever. Things like that. There's music stuff. I can do music stuff. I thought about maybe doing just like once a month, maybe do like a montage video of me writing like a quick little song or something like that. You know, I know a lot of people do enjoy the music stuff too. There's not a whole lot of maintenance stuff I can really do to the Husky. So there's really not anything I can do like maintenance wise or, you know, 701 specific, but you know, there is a video, as you can tell, I mean, right now the Husky is filthy. I mean, absolutely filthy. So, you know, yeah, maybe I could do a video on how to wash your bike properly in a safe manner without damaging electronics and all that crap. You know, videos like that, stuff that still has stuff to do with bikes, but it just might not necessarily be a motovlog. So what I need you guys' help with is I need advice down below. What do you guys think that I could do that you guys would enjoy and I would still be able to provide quality content? Because like I said, I don't want to just upload stuff to upload stuff. I want to try to keep it entertaining and worth watching. And the second thing is yes, there will still be motovlogs throughout the winter. I'm not completely abandoning motovlogs for 2 to 3 month period. There will still be a time where I will film motovlogs. But the thing of it is with it being winter, ideally, it will probably be about 1 motovlog a week, and then any other videos I upload that week are going to be other stuff. Now the reason why I'm doing that is just so there's kind of a somewhat consistent upload of motovlogs to where it's not just like, all right, you uploaded the motovlog and then 2 months later there's no motovlogs. Because I mean, at the end of the day, that's what this channel is about. It's about motovlogs, it's about supermotos, it's about motorcycles. So I feel like if I go too long without uploading that, people are just gonna kind of forget about me and stop caring. So I have like 3 motovlogs right now that I'm gonna space out over about 3 weeks. And I'm gonna add little stuff, you know, like this, talking to you guys in front of the camera, BMX stuff. I'm gonna add stuff like that in between. But what I need you guys' help with is just let me know down below. What kind of content would you guys be interested in seeing? You know, it could be BMX stuff, it could be music stuff, it could literally be anything. You know, if you just want me to do life vlogs like this, you want me to take you around town with my camera and do interesting crap, you know, maybe go hike a mountain. I've thought about doing stuff like that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Just let me know what you guys think down below, what I should do for the winter period. This isn't like a permanent thing, guys. Motovlogs are still the main focus of this channel, and they always will be. It's just, it's cold out. It's not going to be as feasible to upload them in the frequency that I've been uploading them in. But with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys got some good suggestions down below. Be sure to hit the like button. If you're new, click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon while you're at it so you'll get notified of all the future videos. And go check out some of my old videos. I'm sure there's some videos there you guys can enjoy. But until next time, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.